A melting camper plug can be caused by several factors, including overloading, corrosion, and power surges. Overloading occurs when multiple electrical devices are connected at once, resulting in an excessive amount of current flowing through the power cord. This high current flow can exceed the cord's capacity, generating heat and causing the plug to melt. Corrosion is another common cause, where moisture and contaminants build up on the metal surfaces of the plug, leading to chemical reactions that weaken the connections and cause the plug to heat up and melt. Power surges, often resulting from power grid issues, lightning strikes, or electrical storms, can also cause the plug to melt due to voltage fluctuations. To address these issues, it's essential to limit electrical loads by avoiding the connection of multiple devices at once. Connecting only one device at a time can help prevent overloading. Additionally, cleaning the prongs of the plug or updating it can help prevent corrosion. The prongs should be shiny yellow brass, and if they appear brown or black, they should be cleaned before use. Upgrading to a plug with nickel plating can also provide greater corrosion resistance. Using a surge protector can protect the plug from voltage fluctuations, and it's recommended to always use one when connecting the plug to a power source. By taking these precautions, it's possible to prevent a camper plug from melting and ensure safe and reliable use.